How to buy ALON token. So this is not Elon Musk, it's a different token, but it's called ALON with A, not E. So before we start, this is not financial advice, not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So as you can see, before going and buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. This token, as you can see, it's available on CoinGecko. So to be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under this Solana network. Now, open your functionalities for that. Click on swap here. Make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Click here. Paste the token address. As you can see, this is our token. Click on it. Type here how much you want to buy. Here we'll be able to see how much you receive. After that, select the provider, for example, Jupiter. And make sure to read all of that information here. And after that, click on swap, and you will be able to redirect it to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face any issue, go back to this page with the slippage from here or custom made, because the most of issues came from the slippage. And after that, go and you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy ALON token. If you found it very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.